Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING way. In this video I am going to show you how to fix sorry something went wrong. For solution please wait. For any game, if this getting this error, simply few methods I to this error fix it. Before you begin, like this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Let's start that steps. First step for the task manager. So go to that Windows search bar, then type the task manager. Just click to select and go to that background apps. Then find that game. Then select, then right click to enter task, click here to example I give that enter task, click on the enter task, that game find and select and click on the enter task. Once it select and close it, then go to the next step, disable overlay, that is go to the your graphics card, click on that to open it, then go to that settings. If this NVIDIA overlay, turn it on. If this turn it on, just click to turn it off, then close it, then go to the Steam, tap to open it, then click on the Steam settings, just click to open it, click on that in game, enable the Steam overlay, is turn it on. If this turn it on, just click to turn it off, just to close it, again close it, then go to the next step, local file delete in that game file. So Windows button plus X button, click here, click on the run, then type that percentage local app data percentage, hit the OK, then go to that folders and find that game folder, then select and right click to delete that folder. Once it delete, close it, then go to the next step, verify the game files. So again step double have to open it, then go to the library, then find that game, example I will take it, then go to that gear icon, then click on the properties, then go to that installed files, click on the install files, then go to the verify and the game files. Once click to verify that game files. Once it verified, then close it. Finally you restart your system, then your problem fix it now. Definitely this 4 methods try to that error fix it now. Then finally restarted, and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt please ask me anytime.